Okay, so we're en route back home after the weirdest day ever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Usually my videos are not like this. Usually they are very much planned and not filmed on my phone, but today is an exception. Today we went to go find pumpkins and, well, we found pumpkins, but a whole interesting experience ensued. So today's video is about that. Obviously right now we've already experienced it, which is why there's no intro before we went, but yeah. Anyway, let me know what you think to this. Do you want to explain what we're doing?
I'm trying to get pumpkins. So to get pumpkins, you've got to ride the baby train, go through the corn maze, take a wagon, go through the haunted house, and then you get to the pumpkin patch. And then you have to pay for the pumpkins.
I just wanted a pumpkin for
just wanted
decoration.
a pumpkin. I'm on a train.
Now we're at some kind of festival.
A couple of people to load up and we'll be on our way.
Could probably walk there by now.
That's not the point.
That's not the point.
I have no idea
They
what we're
won't
doing.
let you buy the pumpkins unless you take the train.
Well, it's finished for the season. A few of those plants are still producing berries, but not enough to send our workers out there to harvest them. Oh, look at this one guy just hanging from the ceiling. Oh, the nerve of him sticking his tongue out at us. Oh, more green folks and scallops. Not sure what that big guy's smoking and drinking, but... That's our Howard, folks. Howard's the world's tallest gnome. He used to be outside. Break in, folks. Why doesn't he just use his skeleton key? Oh, and every frontier town has a saloon, and we have the Spittoon Saloon here.
So what happened, Mike?
We came back to where we started.
So we thought that the train was going to take us to where we were going to pick the pumpkins, but it didn't. It just brought us back to exactly where we started from.
The corn maze now. Maybe the corn maze will go to the pumpkin patch.
We will get a pumpkin today, at some point. There we go. I've never actually been to a corn maze before, so this is interesting. This is actually really cool. There is actually corn growing.
Do they have corn in the UK?
It just occurred to me that it's a corn maze, but like sweet corn. Ah, that's amazing. Real corn maze. I've never actually been to a corn maze before. I feel kind of like I'm in the Harry Potter maze. What is it, that one Goblet of Fire when they have to find their maze? But this seems significantly more joyful. We have no idea where we're going. This is the most intense pumpkin picking that we've ever been on. Usually you just walk into a farm and pick a pumpkin, but no. Gailey Farms makes you really work for the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, look at this corn maze. I'm not 100% what we're trying to achieve here. We got out of some corn maze and now we're in some kind of haunted town? This is the weirdest day of my life. Just when you think things couldn't get any weirder, I can't help but feel like this guy is a bit out of place in this. I feel like I'm in one of those perpetual dreams where I'm just walking around and I'm never actually going to find my way out of this strange. Is that a sphinx?
Where we're going.
There is everything here. Is this where we're supposed to go?
They even have a sanitization station. I think so, yeah.
This day just keeps getting weirder and weirder. We made it to the big sphinx. Is there anything in there? Oh, it's those, I forgot the name of those beetles and I should know them because I studied it.
Scarab beetles?
Scarab beetles. That's not ominous at all. This is actually kind of creepy. It goes way into there. Not quite sure how structurally sound this is, but
I mean, it's quite the facility.
I think the pumpkin patch is way over there. And I think you have to ride a hay bale barn, what did it say? Hay cart?
Yeah, I haven't seen it anywhere though. I don't know where that picture is.
So we started over here. This is where we started. And we need to go there. And we've been here for an hour and have not made it any further. Okay, we're back in the corn maze for round 2 of not quite sure where we're trying to get to. But, oh gosh, that sphinx is scary. Oh, I think we made it. I don't know where we got to though. A haunted house?
I think so.
Interesting. So I'm pretty sure this is where we were supposed to reach from the corn maze. But now we have to go back through the corn maze. And I don't really remember the way. And I can see the pumpkin patch. It's like over there. We just want to go to the pumpkin patch. And yeah, oh no, we're going back. We're going back into a new section of the corn maze. I think we're finally en route.
Finally going to get the pumpkins.
We're finally en route.
Going to get the great pumpkin.
That's not very good beans. It's a miracle. We've made it.
And get the pumpkin from it.
To the pumpkin patch. It only took us 2 hours to get here.
We did it.
So I found the perfect pumpkin. Like, look at this beautiful pumpkin, but oh wait, it's been destroyed. Gosh darn. The hunt continues. And here's the world's weirdest pumpkin. It's like a double pumpkin. We have 2 tiny ones so far. We've gone to the warty pumpkin section. These ones are pretty cool. It's like muted orange pumpkin. This is cool. I also like these light green ones, like the ghost pumpkins. Okay, we've made it back. We have a variety of different pumpkins. It only took us almost 3 hours to achieve this. Only to find out that apparently orange pumpkins you're not supposed to eat. You're supposed to eat the green ones or the white ones. So yeah, learn something new every day. So success. Weirdest day ever, but it was success in the end. So I hope that you enjoyed the weirdness that was our day. That sun is very bright. As I said, this is not a usual video that I would do. Usually it's very planned out. Usually I do videos about life abroad, living in Canada, expat things, life in British Columbia. So if you're interested in that, or if you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. I post videos every single week. Not usually like this. Well, kind of like this. I do vlogs, but usually they're a bit more planned. Today is a weird day. Anyway, until my next video, I hope you have the most wonderful day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.